Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're going to give you a tour of a Wilderness Lodge room. So Wilderness Lodge, for those who don't know, is right on Walt Disney World's property, and it is next to the Contemporary Hotel, not on the monorail loop, but quite close. We're going to go ahead and give you a tour of the rooms here, so you can decide if it's a place you want to stay on your next trip to Disney. All of that coming right up. So Disney's Wilderness Lodge is in Walt Disney World in Florida. It is situated right next to the Contemporary Hotel, and it's basically between the Contemporary Hotel and the Ticket and Transportation Center. However, it is not on the monorail loop, so you do have a couple of different ways to access this hotel. We're not going to go through all of that here because we will do that in a future Wilderness Lodge hotel tour. However, for now, we're going to go ahead and show you the room, tell you what we think of it, and what you can expect. So just a little bit of preface, it sounds as though they're redoing a bunch of these rooms. You could hear it throughout this video, all the knocking is construction above us. So this is not a redone room, however I'm very happy they're redoing them because you can tell they're a little bit dated. But we're going to go ahead and give you that room tour right now, and then once the room tour is done, we'll come back and give you a summary of what we thought of the room, some of the nuances, things that we might have heard, etc., etc. So I'm going to pass it off to Aaron from the past so that we can go through the room, and then we'll be right back to tell you more about the hotel in general.
Hi there, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and we're in room 4052 in Disney's Wilderness Lodge. So this is room 4052 in Disney's Wilderness Lodge. I'll show you quickly where we're at. So there's the lodge, and we are, even though it's not marked, about here. Oh no, actually I think we're over here. So let me give you a tour of this room. So on our left, we have a little area here for your coffees and teas in the morning. This is all Joffrey's coffee as usual. And you also have some space here for food you bring. And then down here, we have the fridge. Okay. Over on my right, we have the bathroom area. I'll show you that right now. So here's the bathroom. You have two sinks. You also do, again, have your H2O Disney stuff, which is very nice. I know a lot of them have got the other system for this, but they have it here. And then you have an outlet over here, and I'll show you into the bathroom. Now, one downside to this bathroom is this fan up here. When you walk in, you can hear it triggers. If you don't move, it shuts off. We'll see if I can get it to do it. There's your shower. And it is a bathtub. Okay, and then on your left, oh, see, it just went off. Over here you have your washroom, or your toilet, as well as towels. All right, now let's go the other way. Right here, you've got storage. Sorry for all of our stuff down here. You have your safe, additional blankets and so forth, hangers, and of course, the room also comes equipped with the iron and ironing board. And now let's show you the room. So this is the room. I know it's a little dark, unfortunately. It's hard to get light in this room. They also do give you quite a bit of information about the room. I'll show you close-ups of this shortly. On our right, we have one of the beds. These are queen beds. They do have two lights overhead. The light switches are right over here. On our left, we have a nice little area to put your stuff. Nice cute little coat rack up here. Now, pretty clean. There's a bit of dust up here you can see. Here's nice. You've got pretty deep, pretty large place to store your clothes. Pretty good area here. On the right, you also have a little cabinet with the Gideon's Bible. Again, another queen bed. And then this nice little sitting place for either room service or what have you. Now this does include 2 power plugs. There are also some power plugs, unfortunately not convenient, right back there. So you can use those if needed. I will show you from the other side here. There you go. This is the room. And I will show you our view in a second. So out this window, this is our balcony. Just open the lock, open this, and you can step right out. So you can see Contemporary, the Magic Kingdom, the monorail going by. These are the Wilderness Lodge cabins, and this is the balcony. Not very big, but also not too bad. So definitely worth sitting out here. I will go back in and show you once more the room. So there you have it. Downfalls, they are doing construction above, so you can probably hear it. And that is sort of annoying. However, it'll be nice when they redo them. These are a bit dated. You can kind of see everything here is a little old. I wouldn't say it necessarily needs to be refreshed, it needs to be refurbished. And I think you're going to be seeing that shortly, and we will be back with a review of this. This is one of our favorite hotels. However, we will be telling you more about that, I'm sure, on the hotel tour. For now, I'll pass it to me in the future, and I can sum up our experience here.
All right, so wanted to just talk a little bit about what we thought of the room after the fact. So beds, your typical Disney beds, great sleep in them. Noise, pretty quiet rooms. The carpet, it does regular carpet, and I'm not a huge fan of the rooms with regular carpet anymore after you have those nice ones with the ceramic tiled floors. So, you know, noise wasn't too bad. There was construction above us that we obviously could hear. It looks like they are going to be redoing all of these rooms, which is great. However, you do hear noise outside. A really good example of this is if you are in the main area, the large cavernous area, there's the Whispering Canyon restaurant below you, and you will hear them yell for ketchup. If you've not been there, it's a thing they do at that restaurant. But you'll hear them yell for ketchup until it closes. They close at 10 or 11 at night. And so we were actually there for a race, a marathon once, and we'd have to go to sleep early, and all night all you heard was ketchup. So do be aware of that. The doors aren't great. Overall, though, the rooms are very nice. Air conditioning's really good. You can get some decent views of the fireworks. So some of these rooms that look over the cabins that they've got there can have very good views of the fireworks. You're basically angled where you're looking between the Contemporary Hotel and the Magic Kingdom, so you can see the fireworks and you can hear the music for the most part. So it's actually really good for that. There isn't really too much more to say about the rooms. Again, dated. It'll be nice when they redo them, make them a bit brighter. They're quite dark. If you're seeing some of the videos we have from one of our cameras, it's not great in low light, and you'll see it's very dark. But great little accents, really well themed. Hope they keep that in however they redo this. Overall, great rooms though for the price. I mean, these are cheaper rooms than you usually get for anything on the monorail loop, and you're basically right there. All you have to do is take a boat, or you can take a bus, and you're right there. You also get the great food that's on the monorail loop. You get to the Magic Kingdom, and you're able to go to all those restaurants and try different things in the different hotels there. So we really hope that you enjoyed this room tour. If you are considering staying somewhere in Walt Disney World, do recommend this hotel. Hopefully they'll have some new rooms ready by then. They're also building an awesome new hotel just down the street from it, between the Fort Wilderness and Wilderness Lodge. There's going to have a whole new hotel there, so they really need to keep these rooms competitive. we're hoping to stay here again, and if we do, we will do another room tour with the updated rooms. If you did like this video, go ahead and give us a like, and if you have seen a few of these videos, highly suggest that you go ahead and subscribe, although I could be biased. We hope we provided some information for you to make your next vacation at Disney World a little bit better and to figure out how you best want to spend your money. This was the Wilderness Lodge room tour. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again, and happy travels.